Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. This video is of me cleaning and decorating for Christmas. You guys, Christmas is my all-time favorite holiday. I just love the spirit it brings people in, the ambiance of the snow, the lights, all the colors, and of course, most of all, the real meaning of Christmas, the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. I like to clean each room before decorating. Today I'm going to be moving all of DJ and Chastity's toys to their rooms. I'm actually going to make my living room space all about Christmas, and I just didn't want any distractions with toys or anything that just wasn't of the theme. So I took all their toys to their rooms, and I also purged some of DJ's toys that he doesn't play with anymore, and I'm going to be donating it for this holiday season. If your children are anything like mine, they always somehow find a way to get toys, cookies, wrappers, anything that doesn't belong in between the couches and underneath the couch. I had to move the couches around to sweep and wipe under them. It was so much stuff behind the couch, underneath, in between the cushions. It was just so much. So I'm going to go ahead and clean all of that before we get to decorating.
We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
As I stated before, I am purging DJ's toys this year. He has so many toys built up from when he was born that he doesn't even play with anymore, so I thought it was a good idea to just donate them. I was going to try to sell them, but I thought, you know, for this holiday season, it's a good idea to donate. There are a lot of children who may be going without, you know, the times we are in the world right now. There are a lot of people struggling, so I thought it would be a good deed to just donate these toys. He doesn't play with them anymore. They're gently used, and it will be my way of giving back to the community and trying to make somebody happy.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas.
One of my favorite things to do while decorating is trimming the Christmas tree. This year, I'm only using a 6-foot tree. I plan on getting a bigger one for next year. The kids will be older and it will just be easier to decorate and also more fun just to have a bigger tree. I also think I wanted to have the little fake snow on there. I went to that store at home and saw a lot of cute ones, so I'm going to go at the end of the season to see about getting a bigger tree. I just had this small one since the kids were, well, not really the kids, just DJ, since he was really little. I thought it wasn't necessary to have a really big tree at the time, but now that he's getting a little bit older, I'm really wanting a bigger tree.
Stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
been following me for a while, you know that I used buffalo plaid last Christmas, and I decided to use it again this year because I didn't want to spend too much money on Christmas decorations. I thought I would just recycle what I have been using for the past couple of years. Plus, buffalo plaid is one of my favorite prints, so I can never go wrong with that. And also, it's just a good go-to for Christmas decorations.
Let go of your worries, stripes and cares. Give the here and now all its worth. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to heal what's torn apart. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land.
I had so much fun decorating this hot cocoa bar. It's actually what I was looking forward to most this year because I've never done anything like this before. And it's one of my favorite parts of the house.
It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to give your love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Yeah, oh, let's spread it across the land. Ooh, let's spread it across the land. Won't you come in out of the snow and cold? We've got it nice and warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season.
Guys, so much for watching. I hope that I gave you some great ideas for decorating your house for Christmas. Let me know in the comments how you plan on decorating your home this year. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.